Okay, my name's Mike Weaver. I work in the fabrication shop every Wednesday as a volunteer on the Stride Water Canal, and I make things. Currently, I'm making stop plank holders, which you use to block off locks when you need to do repair work on the locks. And the outside tube of a trampoline gives you a perfect radius for creating the roof of these stop plank holders.
My name is Firouz and I have been a volunteer here for the last 10-12 years, and I have done a variety of jobs, starting as building a lock in hand mill, and over the last 5 years I have come and started working in the logging department, and majority of jobs is a bit physical, but at the same time is enjoyable. What we do, we either the tree surgeons give us the wood, or over the last couple of years we have been purchasing some of the wood. We bring them over here, store them in the storage area, and then we split them.
Personally, I don't get involved that much with the local community because obviously in the fabrication shop there's a lot of welding, a lot of grinding. Obviously when new people are coming round, I stop work and have a chat with them and let them know what we're doing. But on a day-to-day basis, I don't get that involved with it.
Very difficult to get youngsters to be interested as a volunteers. Everybody says, I want to do a job, get paid, but I have to wait for the people who are a little bit older, like myself and Jeff, who are retired, but at the same time we would like to contribute something to the society, and that's the enjoyable part of it, really.
There's a lot of people, we have a lot of good banter, a lot of fun, and it's just a pleasant place to come, and it basically keeps you active in your older age. Get yourself involved, because whatever we do, it tends to be it's good fun. We have a good laugh, and it's a nice way to spend your time. And there's plenty of tea and coffee and biscuits around, so